Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Fomo app crashing the second you tap on the icon or closing itself before it even loads? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and swipe up and force close the Fomo app completely from your recent apps. Now go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps, and up some room by offloading a few unused apps if storage is tight. If storage looks fine and it's still crashing, press and hold the Fomo app icon on your home screen. Tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete app to fully uninstall it. After that, go to the app store, go to search, and search for the Fomo app. Tap on it and tap get to reinstall it again. After reinstalling, go to your settings, go to general, go to software update and install any pending iOS updates since crash reports are far more common on outdated iOS versions. So all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall from App Store, update iOS, Fomo opens without crashing and that's it. Subscribe for more Fomo app fixes.